How to create private room in OTR 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to chat or interact with only the people you invite, creating a private room in OTR 2 is a great option. First of all, launch open the game on your device and make sure that you're inside this page. Here, you see different options on the left hand corner. Tap on multiplayer. Inside multiplayer, tap on create private and you'll be able to create a private room as you can see it on the screen. Now go to the top left and tap on the menu icon. Here you'll be able to see your room ID and the passcode. Simply share your room ID and passcode to your friends and they can join into your private room. After they join in, you can go ahead and play the game together. So that is how you can easily create a private room in OTR 2. Your room is now accessible only to the people you invite or share your codes and password with. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.